Hi, if you want to start your career on Fiverr or you want to just grow on Fiverr, you need to know some best practices while creating your gigs. Okay, what are the things that you should do while creating your gigs and what are the things that you can avoid for your gigs? So in this video, I'm going to compare two gigs and show you what are the different things that they're doing, what they're doing correctly, what they're doing wrongly, and probably from that you will learn a lot. Okay, if you are coming to this channel for the first time and if you do not know me, my name is Stan and you are watching the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about freelancing, earning money from home and working from home with a lot of different ideas. So if you're interested in these things, please subscribe and enable the notifications so that you do not miss any video on this channel. In this video today, I'm going to go to fiverr.com and look for two different gigs, and we're going to compare those gigs and see how the sellers have created their gigs and how they're offering. I have a course on Fiverr where I have spoken about very essential things on Fiverr, how you can start your journey, how you can grow on Fiverr. If you want to check out that course, you can get a link in the description. Please feel free. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start the video.
Alright, so this is fiverr.com and right now I'm in incognito mode so that you do not see what I have already searched for. Okay, so I'm going to search very fresh, and this is what mostly the buyers will also see when they come and search on fiverr.com. Okay, so today in this video we are also going to take some very common gigs. Okay, the topic would be WordPress. So you can see here WordPress is one of the popular topics, so it is given here itself. So click on this button which says WordPress and let's see what gigs we find. Alright, so once we click on WordPress, we land up on this page where we have different filters on the top. So these filters are actually related to WordPress. You can see full WordPress creation, customization, bug fixes, performance and SEO, landing page, WP installation and setup, backup and migration. So what exactly you want, you can click here and the buyer will be able to filter out those specific gigs. Okay, all right. Next we have the regular filters that we have for other gigs as well. Service options, the same things that we have here, and they are listed here as well. You can see. Okay, specialization, supported plugin types, then WordPress plugins, all these options are there. If somebody wants to select this and filter out the gigs, they can do it from here. Okay, all right. Then seller details, we're going to use this because we want to look into new seller gigs. Okay, so click that. Then seller speaks, maybe some people will be interested to know what exactly the seller is speaking. Okay, because they may be comfortable speaking in that language. Okay, so let's choose this. You can see Thai and Oriya, there are only 4 and 4 gigs, so we can probably select these two and see. Okay, all right. Next, seller lives in, it does not matter to many buyers, but then some buyers only select sellers from specific countries. That is also correct. All right, so let's apply that, and we see only 2 gigs here. Okay, only 2 gigs. Okay, we'll actually compare these two today. So let's open this in a new tab, and apart from this, the other filters that we have here is the budget. The buyer can actually select a budget and set a budget and search based on that, and he can also select a delivery time like 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, anytime. Okay, these are also available. The other two here are pro services. Some buyers only look for pro sellers. Okay, so we are not going to see pro sellers because their content, their gigs are actually edited or curated by Fiverr themselves, so there is no point. We're going to see the gigs of regular sellers and then we can compare them better, right? All right, the last thing here is online sellers. You can see me talking about this in my course, in all my videos. It is very important to be online on Fiverr because there are a lot of buyers who only speak to online sellers because they want just instantly talk to them, build a rapport, and try to find out whether they will be able to do their work or not. That is also very important, right? So it's important for the sellers to be online as much as possible, as long as possible. All right, so let's get into the gigs and start looking into them one by one. So this is the first gig that we opened. I will do WordPress speed optimization, Google page speed insight. Okay, so again, I understand that we have selected those people who speak different languages, who are non-native English speakers. Okay, they're not native English speakers, so I'm already expecting that the content may not be 100% correct as far as the grammar is concerned or English is concerned. Okay, so this guy is actually offering WordPress speed optimization. This is his main thing, this is the keyword. Okay, and he also shows you the Google page speed insights, but these two phrases are not related in the English sentence. Okay, anyways, so try to write a title which makes sense when you read it. Okay, all right, so first of all, let's change the currency to US dollars, and then it will be good to compare. All right, so let's see the packages. The basic package is named as Silver package. It is at $10, includes basic caching, Minify CSS, JS and HTML, and 60 plus Google page speed codes. Okay, and 60 plus on GTmetrix. So I'll tell you something, whoever knows about this GTmetrix and Google page speed, they will know that 60 plus, anyone who's creating a website mostly would have 60 plus metrics by default. If you just check before actually ordering, you will see that your website is much more than 60. But then if it is a very complex website, a very old website, and you have used a lot of plugins to create that WordPress website, then it may fall down below 60, which is a possibility, obviously. All right, so he does that in 2 days, and he also does 3 revisions. I'm not too sure what he will revise in that, but then probably some things may be added. Some buyers may ask for added work that may be done in these 3 revisions, because there is nothing to revise here, right? He'll just do his best to get the numbers up. All right, so that's all they have here. There's nothing much. Then let's see the next package, which is standard. His name is Gold, $30. Basic, everything you get here, plus full photos optimization and compression, reduced page size, 75 plus page speed, and YSlow scores. All right, so YSlow is something that tells you on GTmetrix why your page is loading slow, why your website is slow. All right, so that is also 2 days delivery and unlimited revisions. Again, there is no point, I don't see why somebody will revise these things, but then here unlimited revisions will not make a difference too much. Okay, so that is Gold for $30. Next package is Premium, which is Diamond High Performance, very nice, $60. Standard plus rocket fast website, load time less than 3 seconds, ideal, 85 to 90 plus codes, full CDN setup. Awesome. Now this is what normally everybody will look for, because the previous 2 are not much useful if you are actually looking for your page speed. If you are looking for your rankings on Google, these 2 will not suffice your requirement. Okay, so someone who is looking to get ranked on Google, they have to get this package, the Diamond package, which is high performance. Okay, the other 2 are almost useless. All right, so there are many buyers who may think that, okay, let me do $10 now and we'll do the next time. For those buyers, there's a positive, there's a negative also. First of all, you can see the seller's work, how he works. First of all, Secondly, you'll actually not get anything out of it. Okay, the output is not that much, the difference will not be that much, but then you will not be able to differentiate the two packages, okay, the performances, if you take these two. Okay, you may feel that the seller has not done anything, has not worked, and you may rate him low. Okay, so that's a thing of concern for seller as well. So someone who's coming and getting the premium, they will see some difference in their speed, in the speed of their website, and they may feel that the seller has done a very good job. Okay, so for a seller to offer this kind of work, which actually does not make a lot of sense for the buyer, he is at risk. Okay, he's at risk of the buyer not understanding what he's offering or what he's doing, and then reviewing it low. That can be a very devastating thing for the seller as well. I hope you understand. So always offer something which is directly going to help the buyer. Maybe your basic can be $60, that's fine, but it should be something which is useful to the buyer. Okay, you understood this, right? Because if the buyer buys these things and he does not see any vivid or visual changes, differences, he may think that you have not done anything. That's why it is better to probably have only this one package, or if you want to have 3 packages, you can start with this and maybe build on this, because this is what most of the buyers should look for. Okay, all right, so I've repeated it twice. I hope you have understood clearly. 3 days delivery, again, revisions don't matter much in this case, so it's unlimited revisions is fine. All right, now let's see the gig gallery. Now on the gallery, he has this page, this screenshot from GTmetrix. Okay, 90 plus, loading time 1 to 3 seconds. It should be seconds, because not many people will understand this. Okay, so this is fine. Next is speed up your WordPress. This one more is also nice. So he's showing his work and taking a screenshot of the output of GTmetrix and showing up on his gallery here. Okay, looking same. The buyer who does not have any idea of what these things are, okay, what is GTmetrix, what is the speed score, that buyer will not be impressed with this. Okay, only those people who know, okay, this A is good, this 96% is nice, this 1.5 seconds is fine, the total page size is less, only those buyers will be impressed by this kind of publicity. Okay, you're putting the same thing thrice, and to many buyers it will not make sense. I hope you understand. All right, so the next one is this this image from a delivery. Great job as well, always. Okay, 92% on Google page speed. This GTmetrix, I think it's a little older one. Okay, smartschoolsystems.com. You should not be showing this website. Okay, you should not be showing the domain name, you should have hidden it. All right, then these are different screenshots from the different deliveries that he has done. 86%. All right, fine. So you can see here, actually most of these websites who are below 90 have not got much from this gig, from this order. Okay, I can tell you that. So it should be at least 90 to 95 minimum to start with, and upwards of 95 if you want the best performing rank. All right, so that is about the gallery. Let's see the description about this gig. Best WordPress speed optimization service. This is good to say, it's nice to say. Are you looking for WordPress speed optimization expert? He's starting with the question. This is fabulous. If you have seen my course, if you have seen my previous videos, I have always talked about starting your gig description with a question. Okay, it is very, very important. It shows that the buyer is actually on the right page and he's looking for an answer to that particular question, most probably, and that's why he's here. Okay, so the buyer can actually save a lot of time if he's looking for something else, Okay, if he is suppose looking for a web page developer, okay, or a landing page designer, he can come here, see this. Are you looking for WordPress speed optimization expert? You can see no, this is not what I'm looking for, so you can leave, and that saves a lot of time for the buyer as well. Okay, however, if you do not put this kind of statements on the top, the buyer gets confused and he orders, but after the delivery he finds out this is not what he was looking for. Okay, so it's very important. It gives a good idea to the buyer that this is what I'm going to get from this gig, and how you should proceed on that. Okay, very important. So always start your gig description with a question like this. Very, very nice. I'll increase WordPress page speed and loading time. He will decrease the loading time. Okay, the loading time has to be decreased, the page speed has to be increased. That is correct. All right. Google and other search engine loves faster sites. Search engines. Why WordPress speed optimization is important? If the website speed is slow, it results in bad user experience and de-ranking of your site. Okay, so you need to optimize your WordPress WooCommerce site for ranking and growth. Do you want to rank your website in the green zone of Google Page Insights and GTmetrix? Here we are providing best solutions, even WordPress website speed optimization. All right, so he's trying to put forward his services, which is fine. And the good thing that you can see here, that he has bolded the keywords here. Whatever he wants you to look into, wants the buyer to see first, he's bolding those things, which is very, very important, which is very, very good actually. Okay, the buyer can just, when he's browsing through, these things can come to his attention very fast. Okay, then why me? Again, very, very good section. Always have why me. Why should someone hire you and not the 1,000 others that are there selling the same things, right? So 100% satisfaction guaranteed, instant response, on time, fast delivery. Okay, instant response is nice. If you are always online, you should write it down, otherwise you should not write it. Okay, what will I do? CDN setup. Eliminate render blocking JavaScript and CSS in above the fold content. Okay, leverage, these are the technical things, most buyers may not understand this. You should write in layman terms so that it explains what you are doing rather than using these things. Sometimes buyers also look into these things, so it's like up to your judgment actually. Sometimes if you look techie, if you look like using this kind of jargons, the buyer gets impressed. Okay, it's two-way things. All right, leverage browser caching, optimize images, remove unnecessary codes, why slow improvements, reduce too many HTTP requests, and many more. So if he is actually using a plugin to do all these things, then it's okay, it's not that good. But if he's doing it on his own, one by one, each of these aspects is looking into the website and then changing the things from the backend, then it is worthwhile. The next is what I needed to get started. So it's opposite, it should be what I need to get started. WordPress admin panel logins, very important. Many buyers will not want to share this login, and they want you to do some magic and and change things in the backend. So he's mentioning it here itself that I need logins for all these things: WordPress, domain, and hosting, if these are two different accounts, so that later on the buyer does not say that I'll not share all these things with you, you have to still work on it, like that. Make your website faster, load faster, a key to rank high and get more visitors. Order now with full confidence. Awesome. And this rocket sign is actually matching with what he's suggesting here, or what he's offering here. Okay, so very nice usage of icons. All right, so two things I'll say here. I really liked the description. It is concise, it is very readable. Okay, you can see how easy it was to read. And he has also mentioned the things that I love. First the question, then why me, then what he will do explicitly, and then what he needs to get started, and also things like this: order now with full confidence. These are like statements which helps some buyers to make a decision. Okay, now one thing here which is missing is contact me before ordering. You must ask your buyers to contact you before placing an order. Okay, it's very important. In many cases this has got the seller into trouble, okay, because the buyer didn't know, buyer didn't understand what the seller is actually going to offer or deliver, and at the end of the day there is a mismatch, there is a miscommunication, and everything goes wrong. The buyer does not understand and rates the seller very low. Okay, that should be avoided at any cost. All right, so that is one thing missing. Secondly, please use the software called Grammarly. Grammarly is a free offering. Okay, I'm not an affiliate. They do not have an affiliate program for it. I would have loved to be an affiliate for Grammarly, but Grammarly is something which has helped me over the years. I'm using it for many years now. Okay, I have the premium paid version. I pay every year. So I love Grammarly. I know how Grammarly has helped me over the years. Okay, so you do not have to buy it. You don't have to buy it for this kind of work, for writing your Fiverr gig. You can use the free version of Grammarly, and a lot of things here which are wrong, okay, those can be ironed out if you are using Grammarly. So please consider using Grammarly. Put your description on Grammarly and see the changes, make the changes, and then paste it back on your description. Okay, it will make your description much better. Okay, and those mistakes, silly mistakes like this will be avoided. All right, the other thing that I did not talk about in the gig gallery is the gig video. Always try to have a video on your Fiverr gig. Okay, I've talked about it a lot of times in my previous videos and also in my course. A gig video actually tells Fiverr that you are more serious about your gig, about your work on Fiverr, and so Fiverr promotes all those gigs which have a gig video. Right? Now some people can ask that we're just starting, how can I afford to build a video? I do not know how to build a video myself. I'm doing something else. I'm doing WordPress SEO. Okay, so for those people, I'll tell you there are lots of apps, mobile apps, which help you to make slideshows. Okay, make a slideshow of these images, the same images that you have put here on the top. Okay, here you have only 3. Make like 10 images or 20 images. Make a slideshow of 3 seconds each. 20 images, 3 seconds each is 1 minute. Right? That slideshow can be converted into a video. You can add a background music if you want. There are a lot of background musics which are available royalty free online, or you can also take it from YouTube audio gallery. Okay, so you can use those things. Now create a video on your mobile phone and upload it. You don't have to have a great script. You don't have to say it in front of the camera. You don't have to show your face. If you can do all those things, that's the best. Okay, you can create a very professional looking video and talk about your services. That's the best thing. But if you cannot do it for the time being, probably you can create a slideshow, add a background music, and upload that on Fiverr. Very important. Please ensure that all of your gigs have a video. Okay, very important. Now for those people who are more interested in Fiverr and they really want to make it big and they want to start big as well, they have some budget, hire someone on Fiverr itself who can write a script for you, who can probably do a voiceover for you. That means who can give you the audio for it, okay, background audio, and who can probably create the video for you as well. Creating the video means like being a spokesperson. There are a lot of ads or gigs on Fiverr where someone will come in front of the camera and say something which you want them to say. Okay, those are called spokespersons gigs. Okay, so you can search for those. You can hire someone like that. It will not cost much. It's like $5 or $10. But if you have a 1 minute long script, maybe it will be a little longer, little costlier also. So get that done. The entire investment that you will do will not be more than like $50-$60. Okay, so per gig, if you're spending $50, I think it's worth, because it will change the entire look of your gig. It will make it look much more professional. Okay, so think about it. But till then, do not leave it blank. Create a thumbnail or create a slideshow of these thumbnails, and then upload that slideshow as a video on your Fiverr gig. Okay, all right, so that's all I have for this particular gig. Okay, we have already compared the packages. All right, so this guy is from Pakistan, you can see. So his gig is, overall I loved the way he has presented it, but only mistake was the English. I think that's fine. So he has already gained 146 reviews and he's in level 1. I think he was demoted recently because of some other reason, maybe because he already has 146 reviews. There is no reason that he would be in level 1. So he has done a good job with the gig description. Okay, I like it. Then specialization, supported plugin types, these are all specific things to WordPress. Okay, so if you are having a WordPress gigs, you will get these options to select. All right, so he has done a good thing about the description. SEO and WordPress expert with over 5 years of experience. That's about him, the USP. Then here in the bio he says, hello, thanks for visiting my profile. I am Malik, an SEO, an SEO and WordPress expert with more than 5 years of experience. I'm professional in my work and provide quality service to each and every single customer. Customer satisfaction is my very first priority. About my services, see my gigs and reviews of hundreds of my satisfied customers. For more information, don't hesitate to contact me. Very nice. This contact or this sentence has to be in your gig as well. Thanks, have a great day. All right, it's nice, but just put this on Grammarly and you'll see there are a lot of things that you can change. All right, so these are the packages that he has, silver, gold and diamond. Okay, and scroll down. FAQs, very nice. Always try to have FAQs on your gig. Okay, a lot of questions may arise in the mind of the buyers. Okay, the buyer may not be able to ask them explicitly also. So when he comes to this FAQ section and he sees those questions already written there, it helps the buyer to understand your gig better. Okay, so it will remove all the confusion. So which speed test tool do you use to work? I work based on GTmetrix as it gives the most accurate real-time results, which is correct. GTmetrix is good. I use it myself. I'll give you the before and after reports of GTmetrix after work. Awesome. Very clear what he's going to offer. So this sentence is very important, my friend. So if you want to, you can actually copy this and paste it in your description, because many people will not come this far to read the FAQs, but they will obviously read the description. So put it up. This is very important point. All right. Does site speed affect search engine ranking? Yes, obviously. Will my results be exactly the same as mentioned? Exactly same results nobody can get. Okay, so the final results may vary if the survey is not that good or the theme conflicts with the optimization. Yeah, exactly. So that's exactly what it is. It may not be exactly same for everyone. Will the site optimization process affect my website data? No, it will not. Does my theme and hosting affect the site speed? Yes, obviously. See, he has made it in bold or big capitals. All right, so he knows his work. It is nice to know that he knows his work. That's why he has got so many good reviews. Okay, however, he also got some 3-star reviews, 1 3-star review and 2 4-star reviews. You should work on this. You should try to change this back to 5 stars as much as possible, as far as possible. All right, so these are the reviews. Show only the reviews with delivery images. Okay, see, so this is what I was talking about in a previous video, where I said that delivery images are only shown on your gig gallery when the buyer approves it, after they have accepted the order. Okay, so here the buyer, if you check this, it will show only those orders or those reviews where the buyer has accepted to show the images, delivery images in the gig gallery. All right, so we're looking for a review which is maybe not that good and it's longer. Okay, so you can see a lot of people from India have bought from him. This guy is a repeat buyer. Okay, all right, nice. Okay, outstanding service, speed and communication. I immediately saw improvement in my site's GT metrics, 57 to 88. Okay, very nice. And Google page speed, 44 to 86 scores. I will certainly hire Malik again for future projects. Okay, all right. So he has actually done a good job. That's why we are not getting any bad reviews or lesser reviews. So this is 4.3. Let's see. Fast and excellent communication. Results were as expected in the numbers, but that came with some style bugs in the website itself. Maybe see if you can somehow for future clients see how to perfect that area, and will be 5 stars. This guy or this buyer is nice. He's specifically mentioning why he has given 4.3 stars. Let's see his response. Thank you for your feedback. Your website was throwing some CSS bugs against my changes. In general, it does not happen. It was a special case. All in all, it's great working with you. Hope to see you back again. Thanks for your order. Now there is also a problem with this kind of sellers. Okay, this kind of sellers means the sellers who sell WordPress SEO. Now the ranking and page speed also depends on the theme that the people are using, the plugins that they're using. If they've already built a website with bad theme, okay, with a lot of unnecessary data on unnecessary coding in that, and maybe some plugin which is very heavy, okay, the rank of the page or the speed of the page will already be very low. Okay, so whatever you try, you may not be able to put it back to like 95 or more. Okay, so for that kind of websites, it's a little tough for the sellers to get a 5-star rating. But then all these things buyers will not think of. Buyers will not try to even understand why somebody has rated him 4.3. Okay, they don't care. So you as a seller have to take care of your own ratings. All right, so these are all fine, looking all good. Great. Now more services by Malik. Okay, one more thing before we move ahead. You can see that this seller has actually responded to most of the reviews, which is an excellent thing. Please respond to all your reviews, whether it's a bad review or good review. In good review, you can still mention what you have done specifically. In bad reviews, you can tell why things went wrong. A lot of buyer may come here, they may read your response, and they may understand your fight as well. Okay, so it is always a good thing to respond to each of the reviews that you get, always. All right, next is more services by Malik. 1 2 3 4 5, then 6. Okay, you can have only 7 because he's in level 1 now. Maybe if he was in level 2 earlier and he is demoted recently, his other gigs are hidden now. Okay, only this many are visible. This is a very bad thing on Fiverr, but then can't help. All right, so he has all the gigs here. Ensure you also have as many gigs as possible. Okay, like I have told in the previous video as well, if you are selling only one kind of skill, make multiple gigs of the same skill. Okay, if you are selling multiple skills, then obviously you can have multiple gigs, right? But ensure that you fill up the entire pool of gigs that you are allowed to. Okay, in level 1 I think you can have 7 gigs at max. So he's already having it 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the one that we are looking into, that is 7 gigs. All right, so that was the first gig for this video today. I hope you liked it. I hope you have taken notes of the things that we have discussed. Okay, all right, so let's move to the next gig. This gig says, I will create a professional website for your business. Now this guy is creating websites. Okay, he's directly creating websites. Let's first change the currency to US dollars. Okay, so this guy is directly selling websites or creating websites. He's not doing any optimization or page speed changes. Okay, not that. He's just directly creating websites or designing websites. Okay, so let's see the gig gallery first, then we'll get into the packages. So here he has the video. This is the video that I was talking about. Okay, I can play it. Okay, the video is very looking good, very good. Okay, all you need: logo, branding, marketing, website, hosting, social media management, or maybe a video like 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Okay, this video is good. Now I told you that videos are actually accepted or expected by Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr expects you to have a video. What are you waiting for? Now this particular video is just I don't know, it's not relevant to what he's offering. Okay, it may be something related to social media management or social media marketing because it has everything, but it's not specific to creating professional websites. Okay, and he's also not mentioned whether it's on WordPress or something. All right, so now the thing is, I keep telling you that you should have a video. I hope this guy is also doing the same. So he just has a video. He does not have a video which is relevant to his offerings. He has a video which is helping Fiverr to promote his gig. That's what he's doing. Okay, you understood, right? So he has a video, but that video is irrelevant. But still he has a video which is helping his gig to rank higher on Fiverr. That's a very good way of doing it. But I would suggest that you have a relevant video. If Fiverr finds out, if Fiverr actually sees or somebody looks into this and finds out that this video, the content of the video is not very much relevant to what he's offering, then maybe they will take action. I'm not too sure about it actually. Okay, so as I said, it's not mentioned WordPress over here, but then it is listed under WordPress. Still, I would probably say I will create a professional WordPress website for your business, because WordPress website would be a keyword as well. If somebody is searching on Google, they might find WordPress website as a keyword. Okay, you will specify that what kind of website you want. I want a WordPress website, so that's why it should be there on the title itself. All right, next is professional. So this image is not loading, maybe on my computer, I don't know. So let's do a refresh. Let's see. So what I was talking about this keyword is that if you put your keywords in your title, it's more likely that somebody searching on Google may land up on your gig. Okay, so ensure that your keywords are there in the gig title as well. So this image is actually not good, so it's not showing up. The next image, these are the images that he has uploaded on his own. 1 video and 3 images you can upload. Apart from that, you can also upload a PDF file with more of your work. Okay, showing your work. That's your portfolio. So he has used it very nicely. Now let's see the delivery images. So this is a delivery image. Excellent, 5 stars work. I will use your service again. Thank you. So this is what he has delivered. Then a better way to invest. This looks like a template. I'm not too sure, but then I cannot be very sure about this, but this looks like a template of one of those Elementor plugins that I've used earlier, which is Elements Kit. Maybe, I don't know. Next, okay, these are his deliveries. Now many people who deliver just take a screenshot like this and upload. Some people also take one more step of putting the screenshot here in this kind of templates. All right, so you can do this kind of things are better actually if you put it here. So If you are also doing WordPress, you can probably do something like this. Okay, then smooth delivery. All right, good reviews. We'll look into those later on. You can see the images for now. These are all those what he has delivered already. Okay, Infotera, very nice. This is a good job. Looks like this is the white horse. So this mobile responsive design. All right, fine. So those were the gig galleries. Now I'll tell you one more thing here. See here, all the websites that you would have created as a designer on WordPress would be mobile responsive. However, in one of these gig images, he has specifically put a mobile responsive photo or image so that the buyer who's browsing through the gig would know that his work is also mobile responsive. Very important, right? So if your work has different views, you can probably use this kind of deliveries or this kind of images in your delivery, or you can only create the mobile responsive, the tablet responsive version and upload that as well. Okay, just to create that feeling that you are providing in all different versions. All right, so now let's see the packages. The basic package is named as basic. That's creative. No, that's not creative. I like these creative names, but then he has just chosen to use the same one. So basic is $60. One page responsive website with animated slider, 4 sections, contact form, map, social media integration. Awesome. This is a very nice offering in $60. Okay, I don't think many will offer this. Okay, however, I'm not too sure about the quality that he's offering in this, because one page with just 4 sections will not be sufficient for most of the buyers. Okay, so they may also want to buy something more from him if they see that he's doing a good job. Very important. So he does it in 5 days and 1 revision. Very nice. See, very clear. 1 revision. I do not need more revisions. Obviously, if the client is asking for more revisions, I'll obviously do it. But the impression that I give on my gig is that I'm very much specific. I'm very much sure of what I'm going to deliver, and my delivery will not need more than 1 revision. Okay, that's the message that the buyer gets. So please refrain from putting something like unlimited revisions or something like that. Okay, in a WordPress design, if you put unlimited revisions, only God can save you. Okay, because WordPress needs changes every day or maybe every week. That's why people go for maintenance. Very important. All right, so that is basic package. Not much is written about this here. Standard package is named standard, again very creatively, which is $250. Makes sense now. Outstanding website up to 5 informational pages, social media integration, map, and security. So all this he's offering for $250 in a standard package. 7 days delivery, 1 revision. Now this is something which will make more sense to most of the buyers. Okay, this is what I feel. Okay, 5 informational pages. Now understand this, that he's not going to add any payment gateway integration or e-commerce integration. He does not offer those things. He's just mentioning informational pages, which means the page will only have information, nothing else. No interactions, no e-commerce listings, okay, no payment gateways, nothing will be there, only information. So that's what $250 will bring, and that is very much correct. Okay, as per the standard rate of web designer in the market. This is nice. So that's the standard package. The premium package again is named as premium. It's for $400, 99 pages. Okay, and 1 revision. Not possible. At least you should have 99 revisions. Okay, each page will have at least 1 revision, but then it's okay. All right. So it's not that each page will be revised only once. All the pages can be revised in 1 revision as well. That is also there, correct? All right. So Plugins and products, state-of-the-art design, e-commerce with shopping cart, WooCommerce. He's going to use WooCommerce. So he's mentioned clearly that here he's going to use WooCommerce and there will be an e-commerce website for $400. Now out of this $400, the seller will only get $320 after the Fiverr fees. Okay, so $320 for this kind of a project, I think it is little low. Okay, I would probably mark it towards around 500 that the seller should get. So if it is 500 for the seller, it should be targeted as around how much? 600 for the buyer, right? Okay, so that is what I would suggest, but then it's okay if it's working for him. So those are the different packages that he has for his gig. Now let's see the gig description. About this gig. Greetings and welcome to Solifal. Okay, that's the username actually. We are a team of skilled individuals that strive to bring contribution to the current technological revolution. More and more businesses fail to maintain its presence due to the lack of digital presence. Here at Solifal, we provide you with our best services. Why Solifal? Aside from our top-notch quality, Solifal works flexibly and efficiently. Our current prices make it possible for you to start your own business and have a digital presence along with it. Okay, our specialty lies in the collaborative and user-friendly environment. We welcome all sorts of requests of all types of businesses and will design accordingly. All right, we provide highly professional and responsive design on all devices, SEO and mobile friendly structure, speed optimized, Elementor support, customized design, website design and redesign, premium WordPress themes, secured and user friendly admin panel, branding support, unlimited support for my clients. Nice. I like this last line. This is also nice. What all he offers to his clients. We guarantee fully optimized and responsive pages, secured pages, fast loading pages. Okay, actually these were in comma, I think, and he has just pressed enter here and made it bullets. It looks like fully optimized and responsive, secured, fast loading pages. One sentence. All right. Have a great day ahead. We look forward to your order. Do not look forward to an order. Never. Ask the buyer to contact you before placing an order. Ask the buyer to talk about their requirements. In a lot of situations, you can actually upsell with the buyer contacting you. Okay, because many buyers will not have hosting. The many buyers will not have domain. You can help sell those things to them as well. If you're an affiliate to some company, some hosting company, you can sell that affiliate package or that hosting package to them if they contact you and tell you that they do not have hosting as yet. Very important. Okay, so always ask the buyer to contact, talk to him, spend some time on him. It may not be possible that all the buyers who are contacting you may end up buying from you. That's fine, but whoever is buying from you may actually pay more than what you have mentioned in your packages. So always ask the buyer to contact. That is one advantage. The other advantage we have already talked in the previous videos and in my course as well, that when the buyer contacts you, both of you are on the same page before you start the work. So there is no miscommunication, there is no misunderstanding, and at the end of the work both parties are satisfied. Okay, so always ask the buyer to contact before placing an order. This sentence is devastating actually. All right, so in this description it is concise. It has all the good headings which are required in the description. Only thing missing here is the question. Okay, as I said earlier, please try to start your gig or description with a question. That question should be directly relevant to the gig title here. Okay, what exactly the buyer is looking for, what exactly you are going to solve for him. So ask that question, answer that question in your gig description. Okay, all right. So we're not going to spend more time. We've already discussed about these things in the previous gig. Okay, these are the specialization things that you can only select when you are selling something on WordPress. All right, so digital solutions, that understand that they have already mentioned that they're a team, okay, which is a good thing. Many people work with teams because they do not want to work with individual. They think that the work will be overloading, okay, the individual may not be able to deliver. So if it's a team, they feel much comfortable. So these guys are from United Kingdom. I don't remember the language. I think Thai, maybe. Anyways, so they are from United Kingdom, and they respond in 4 hours. This thing has to come down to 1 hour. Must. Okay. If you are responding so late, 4 hours is a very long time for Fiverr sellers. You cannot afford to have that much of response time. Okay, please install the app on your mobile phone, and if you're using a fitness band, okay, connect Fiverr app with your fitness band, so that the moment a notification comes, your band vibrates and you get to know, and you respond to that as soon as possible. Very, very important. Okay. All right, so they're here only since December 2020, and they're already selling a lot. They have 33 5-star reviews, which is nice. Again, here they're saying we are a team of young individuals based in London, UK, and Dubai, UAE. Okay, they are at different places, so that makes sense. As a team, we provide digital solutions for businesses from the comfort of your homes to yours, comfort of our homes to yours during a global pandemic. Okay, so they have started at the right time, and they're mentioning it. No matter where you are in the world, no matter how big or small your business is, you can easily and safely access our services through Fiverr and get your business success journey to take off. Awesome. For inquiries, feel free to contact us before placing any order. So in this gig, actually, I did not find any English mistake. Okay, very rare things. So again, you can use Grammarly, which will help you to minimize some kind of wrong English, okay, or very minute grammatical mistakes. Use Grammarly. It's free. Okay, so packages we have already compared. We have seen these 3 packages. We have seen the delivery time as well. Also, there is a very good relationship between the delivery time and the amount that is asking and the things that he's offering. But 99 pages, boss. Actually, you know what? 99 pages can be a reality, because if he is doing WooCommerce, if he is doing e-commerce site, there would be a lot of products. So each product would have its individual product page, and if that is considered, then 99 pages, okay, I can understand that. But apart from that, if you really want to have 99 informational pages without your product listing, then you will not be able to do it in 10 days. Or you're just copying, cloning pages. Then it's possible. All right, let's move ahead. 20 reviews, all 25-star reviews. Kudos to you, brother. Awesome. You have done awesome. All right, then only 10 of those have delivery images. Khalil. So Khalil is the name of the person. Always remember, when the buyer is actually mentioning your name in the review, that buyer is most probable to come back to you again. Okay, that means that they have created a personal rapport with you, and they're happy working with you or talking to you. So this buyer may come back to you again. Khalil is doing a great job. Recommend his work ethic and satisfied with his service so far. Will continue to proceed. Okay, so this person himself is not from a native English speaking country, so that's why the English is like that. Again, the seller is responding. Very, very good. Awesome. Always respond. Whatever review it is, always respond. Here he's not responding. Okay, so excellent 5-star work, awesome experience, as well, always great work. So these guys are returning to him as always whenever they're saying, so it means that they may be returning. All right, so respond to the reviews, not only 1 or 2 reviews, respond to all reviews. Okay, related tags. We'll talk about these tags in some video. I've talked about tags in my course why tags are important, how they are helping you as a seller. But this video that I'm creating right now does not have it in this scope. Let's see more services by Solify Limited. Okay, so I'll do social media marketing management, 1 2 3 4 5 gigs. There is space for one more, so you can see these 2 gigs have the video, and it seems the same video they have used. Okay, and these gigs do not have videos, so always try to have videos on your gigs. So actually this particular gig is doing much better than this gig that we have just checked. Okay, and I would probably, if I have to buy one of these two, even though they are selling 2 different things, they're not selling exact the same thing, I would probably buy from this seller. Okay, he looks much more professional. Okay, so that's all I have in this video. If you have any questions, if you want to see specific gigs that I actually compare on these videos on my channel, please leave them in the description. If you actually want your gig to be reviewed, that also it can be done. You can actually leave a link to your Fiverr gig in the comment section, and you can ask me to review that. Probably I'll review it in one of the upcoming videos. Okay, so that can be also done. So thanks a lot for watching till the end.
Alright, so that's what I had in this video. I hope you liked how I have compared the 2 gigs and how I have shown you the best practices that these sellers are actually following. So when you are creating your gig, please do these things and avoid the bad things that we have talked about in this video as well. If you want to check out my course on Fiverr, please feel free to check in the description where I've kept a link for you. Okay, so that's all I have in this video. Thanks a lot for watching it till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, have a good time. I'll see you in the next video. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye.